Make a video of your SOPs that promotes your digital products, that promotes the tools that you like. You're gonna get a little amount, and if you're a good marketer, you should dabble in YouTube, you should dabble in TikTok, you should dabble in X, you should try these things because those are the playing field. You're a player and that's the field. The field's not in your head. So I think that we start off the Rich+Niche methodology about saying there are 4 income sources: service, digital products, affiliate marketing, AdSense, or any variation of that. AdSense is when you get paid because someone watched your video. These 4 income sources make freelancing a lot more fun and viable. Because if you just have to rely on your service, you could go cold. The market could go cold. You would lose control. You wouldn't no longer necessarily have the power, the leverage, the money, the cash flow. And that's just the way the world is. It's volatile at times, right? And I think we've seen that in the last decade, is that things can shift, money can change, the value of money can change, the value of time can change. So how do we protect ourselves against that? Because I think this isn't a course about how to be a marketer. It's how to be a freelance marketer. And that means you're all by yourself. And this is a harder question to answer. And so we recommend that you turn your SOP, okay? You know what an SOP is? It's what you do for your clients. Let's say they say, I want a video. Well, you're gonna follow a checklist. You're gonna have a framework that you follow, right? So those SOPs can somehow be digital products, right? Whether you offer a checklist for a very small amount, even just a lead, whether you show a full video course explaining how you do it, whether you give a bunch of samples or templates, you see? What the services we offer, we ought to turn them into some sort of documented product, right? And essentially I've done the same with full stack marketing funnels, content maximizer, full stack Facebook ads. Those are just my process to get you to the desired outcome that we talked about. And if I have a great process, you're gonna get there the fastest, with the least effort and sacrifice and the least likelihood of failure. So if you think you're really good at some of these services, turn it into an Etsy template, turn it into a video online course. You can even do an audio course or a text-based course. You do not have to get into video. Affiliate marketing, that's a great one. Talked about in my newsletter a while back that a lot of marketers struggle because they start with affiliate marketing. Sometimes as affiliate marketers, we're so hungry to make money, we'll just sell anything. This fat loss product, this dating product, this virus app, antivirus. We don't love any of those products. And so it becomes a bit of a burnout process. Like you don't have the desire and energy to go super deep with it, right? So affiliate marketing should be added in. And I think what's great is that there's a lot of tools that we will use with our clients that we can receive a percentage if we recommend it to them. And so I believe in only promoting products that you really like using. And I hope if you've been following my channel, you know that I do that. Don't do a lot of affiliate marketing, very cautious around it, but it doesn't mean I haven't made quite a lot of money on affiliate marketing. I've been very selective, and my favorite affiliate marketing products are SaaS-based products with recurring fees. I think that makes a lot of sense, that if you are gonna promote something, that it has an opportunity to make you money on a recurring basis. Now, if you're gonna do this, and you're gonna do this, and you're gonna do this, you might as well do this. Make a video of your SOPs that promotes your digital products, that promotes the tools that you like. You're gonna get a little amount, and if you're a good marketer, you should dabble in YouTube, you should dabble in TikTok, you should dabble in X, you should try these things because those are the playing field. You're a player and that's the field. The field's not in your head. You aren't playing in your head. Technically, you're not even practicing. You're thinking, which is nice, way to start, not gonna get you that far. So we don't really at Rich+Niche say there's only one proven method and there's only one way. Because if we're gonna be ikigai oriented, where we say, look, every person's different, each person's gonna be different about what they're good at and what they like, we say learn a full stack of skills, develop your favorites, understand what you're the best at, maybe lean into that, but don't forget that you have different avenues to success. All of these can become singular successes. Why are they here? Why is there 4? Why these 4? I mean, you want to get into service, but how long will it take you to find a client? Your first client could take 3 to 6 to 12 months because you're lacking something somewhere. So we want you to be able to train up and enter some of these other things. And we want you to be future-proof, resilient, solid as things shift and change, because I think that you can't get into something future-proof if it never changes, right? Like it will just be non-existent after a while. No one cares about editing movies by cutting up film anymore. It's just gone. But if I have to learn how to edit a video on TikTok and edit a video for YouTube and edit a live stream, fine, I'll keep learning those things. At least I can stay in the game, keep playing. Okay, so the first part of the methodology that the Rich+Niche community approaches is full stack is the best way. 4 income sources are available. And now what you just heard earlier is we're moving into this one-person marketing agency concept that's a subscription-based model where you offer a menu of services so you can take advantage of the full stack and your clients can choose what they need one at a time. And that allows your clients to have a one-stop shop, single point of focus, single point of contact. They do seem to like that. If you enjoyed that clip, you'll love the full live stream. I've linked it here for you. And if you're looking for something for beginners, check this video out. It's an A to Z. See you guys next time.